Hey everybody, it's Brother McKay and I'm going to teach you how to rename your module so that it includes the date that it's assigned. So make your browser full screen and let's go. We'll enter into our classroom here and then we'll go to our modules there. What I want to do is change the name of the module so that it has the date that it's assigned. For example, if I went into my pacing guide and I saw that on April 15th, we're going to start in 2nd Nephi chapter 28, then I want to go to that lesson and change the module name to include April 15th. So I have my modules here. So the content is inside and the module is actually contained up here in this gray bar, and the gray bar the module contains what's inside or the content. And so I am coming here to my Book of Mormon lesson 38, 2nd Nephi 28, and this is going to be our first lesson. It's going to be on April 15th. And so what I want to do to rename this and make it more organized is come to my little stoplight here, or my snowman buttons, and I'm going to come down to edit. Once I click edit, I'm going to have an opportunity to rename the module. And so simply what I want to do is type in April 15th, Book of Mormon lesson 38. When I hit update here, now this module is labeled April 15th, Book of Mormon lesson 38. So this helps my students and myself keep track of all the things that I need to do. So I'll continue down my pacing guide. I'll come back to my little stoplight here and I'll hit my 3 buttons. I will edit and it pops up. This will be April 16th. Book of Mormon lesson 39. Update my module and voila. I would go down and continue to do this until I have realigned my pacing guide with all of my lessons in the module category. And now my students and myself can see what I am to do on which day. Hope this helps. Hope you have a wonderful day online, offline, or wherever you are.